Okay, you're standing in front of your closet, about to pack for your next grand adventure as a solo female digital nomad. Sounds familiar? That familiar nagging dread starts to creep in. I know, doesn't it? I know. The one that whispers, how on earth am I going to fit everything I think I need without ending up with an overpacked suitcase and a bag that screams for mercy? Oh, trust me. I've been there more times than I care to admit. But what if I told you that with a few clever strategies, blending cutting edge technology, truly versatile clothing, and some 2025 specific travel hacks, you could wave goodbye to that pre-trip stress for good? Imagine packing lighter, saving money, and feeling utterly prepared, not overwhelmed. Isn't that what you want? I'm sure. In this video, I'm going to peel back the curtain on my top 7 unique packing tips. The very ones that have completely transformed the way that I navigate the world. And you're about to find out. Are you ready to ditch the baggage and embrace freedom? Let's dive right in. All right, let's kick it off with the absolute backbone of your digital nomad existence, your tech essentials. Because let's be real, in 2025, having the right gear isn't just a convenience. It can genuinely make or break your travel and work experience. First on the list, invest in a lightweight laptop with long battery life. We're talking about something like a MacBook Air with the new M4 chip or a sleek Ultrabook, perhaps a Dell XPS 13 or an Asus ZenBook 14. These beauties strike that perfect balance between raw power and effortless portability, allowing you to seamlessly switch from a bustling cafe in Rome to a quiet co-working space in Bali, all while working efficiently. Now, for the perennial challenge, packing your clothes. I know. How do we tackle this without letting the urge to overpack completely take over? I'm an overpacker, so I know what I'm talking about. The secret, my friends, is a 7-day rotation of versatile, quick dry, and wrinkle resistant pieces that can mix and match effortlessly. I know, because I'm doing that right now. Think of it as building a capsule wardrobe for the road. Merino wool tops, for example, are a miracle fabric. They resist odor, they rarely wrinkle, and they are great at wicking moisture. Throw in a couple of breathable cotton t-shirts for those casual, relaxed days, and a lightweight cardigan that can double as an extra layer on a chilly flight or a cozy wrap for an evening out. Don't forget a stylish midi dress that can easily transition from a day of exploring to a nice dinner. A pair of dark jeans and some comfortable leggings are also non-negotiables for layering or impromptu workouts. When it comes to footwear, limit yourself to just 2 pairs. That's all you need. A supportive, comfortable pair for all your walking adventures and lightweight sandals or flats for warmer climates or dressing up a bit. This minimalist approach isn't about depriving yourself. It's about covering all your bases without the literal weight of an overloaded suitcase. Quick dry clothing, especially those made from synthetic fabrics like polyester and nylon, or even merino wool blends, are your best friends right in this situation. They dry overnight so that you can hand wash them and wear them again the next day, drastically reducing the number of items that you need to pack and carry with you. To keep your meticulously chosen wardrobe compact and organized, I would suggest compression packing cubes. They're absolute fabulous. Seriously, if you're not using these yet, you're missing out. I'm going to leave a link for a few of my favorites in the description. They don't just save space by squeezing out excess air, they also keep your items neatly separated and surprisingly wrinkle-free. Imagine opening up your suitcase and instantly knowing where everything is. No more digging through a chaotic mess like you used to. So what you're going to do is you're going to use different packing cubes for work clothes, casual wear, and undergarments. This method isn't just about tidiness. It helps you visually assess what truly fits and what doesn't, effectively preventing that common pitfall of overpacking. It's like having mini drawers in your bag. That's what I call it. Making unpacking and repacking so easy. When it comes to your personal essentials, toiletries, chargers, and those small but mighty gadgets, efficiency is key. For liquids like shampoo and sunscreen, just opt for travel-sized refillable bottles. It's so much easier. Not only do they comply with pesky airline restrictions, but they also significantly reduce the bulk. Better yet, consider making the switch to solid shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets. Yes, they have such a thing. These are game changers. They save precious space, completely bypass liquid limits, and are often more eco-friendly, making your packing process incredibly efficient. Yes, and electronics organizer is another must-have. This little wonder keeps all your cables, your adapters, and your power banks untangled and easily accessible. And you can't move without them. No more frantic rummaging for the right charger. And speaking of power, having a surge protective power strip with multiple USB ports can be a lifesaver, especially when you're sharing accommodations or you're in an older building where the outlets are in short supply. It protects your precious technology, items, devices, I should probably say, and ensures everything stays charged and ready to go. Now let's dive into a few clever packing hacks that will genuinely save you space and reduce stress. First off, a classic for a reason is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. I don't know if you've heard about this technique before, but it's double win, minimizing wrinkles and maximizing every inch of space in your luggage. For those long flights or noisy hostel dorms, packing a silk sleep mask and earplugs can significantly enhance your ability to get some much needed rest. Don't underestimate the power of undisturbed sleep when you're traveling. Always, and I mean always, keep a small day pack or cross-body bag easily accessible. This is for your daily expressions. Keeping essentials like your water bottle, your camera, and your wallet handy without having to lug your main bag everywhere you go with all your important documents. It makes exploring so much more enjoyable as well and keeps your valuable items close and secure. Here's another pro tip. Tuck your socks and your small items inside your shoes to utilize every bit of empty space. And consider a lightweight, quick-dry travel towel. They're incredibly absorbent and take up almost no room, but you don't have to bring a towel, depending on where you're staying. Now, midway through your packing journey, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention something that can truly pull all these strategies together. I highly recommend checking out my ebook bundle, the only travel packing guide you'll ever need for 2025 and beyond. It dives even deeper into these strategies and more, offering personalized checklists and also product recommendations specifically tailored for female digital nomads like you. This guide is designed to help you sidestep common pitfalls like chronic overpacking, I can attest to that, and forgetting crucial essentials, ensuring that you travel lighter, smarter, and with absolute confidence. It's more than just tips in this ebook bundle. It's a comprehensive roadmap to packing perfection. Because I'm telling you what I've gone through and how I've perfected all of this. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick run through of your ultimate packing power up checklist. Think of this as your final mental scan before zipping up that bag. Number 1, tech essentials. Is your lightweight laptop. It includes maybe a foldable stand, if you can muster that, Bluetooth keyboard and wireless mouse, all accounted for and charged. This is your mobile office, after all. Next is your clothing. Do you have your 7-day rotation of versatile, quick dry clothes and just your 2 essential pairs of shoes? Remember, multi-purpose is the magic word right here. Number 3, packing tools. Are your compression packing cubes ready to work their magic for those clothes? Have you filled your travel-sized refillable bottles and organized your electronics in their dedicated pouch? Because remember, you need an electronics organizer. Number 4, comfort hacks. Don't forget that silk sleep mask and earplugs for ultimate rest, and your small day pack for daily adventures. Number 5, connectivity. Is your phone unlocked? You need to check that. And do you have your eSIM activated or a backup plan in place? Crucial for staying in touch and on track. There you have it. With the right packing mindset and these smart tools and these tips that I've given you and my ebook bundle, you'll be able to travel light, work efficiently, and explore freely. It's not just about what goes into your bag. It's about the freedom that comes from carrying less on your trip and experiencing more. Don't forget to grab my ebook bundle, the only travel packing guide that you will ever need for your 2025 and beyond trips as a digital nomad, to make your packing process truly effortless and enjoyable. And you get to avoid the huge baggage fees as well. It's packed with even more insights to help you conquer your packing fears. With careful planning and these unique strategies, your next adventure as a digital nomad can be so much more stress-free, empowering, and absolutely full of possibilities. What are your go-to packing hacks that you have? Do you have any to share? I would love to hear that. Share your wisdom in the comment section below. And I hope this video has been helpful and it's provided you value. But wait until you see the next video I have. How to pack a suitcase for one bag travel in 2025 so you pay no baggage fees. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. Oh, and by the way, please check out my YouTube shop below for discounted travel accessories, essentials, and resources. And in so doing, you will be able to go equipped. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.